Today, we're unpacking what is rapidly becoming one of the absolute most transformative technologies in modern business. We're talking about the digital workforce and specifically AI agents. Now, if you've been hearing the endless buzz around artificial intelligence lately, and you're kind of wondering, how does this actually apply to day-to-day operations? Well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to map out exactly what this technology is and how it's totally reshaping the way we work.
So just imagine hiring an employee who literally never sleeps, never takes a single coffee break, and handles all of your incredibly repetitive business tasks completely automatically. I mean, it sounds like pure science fiction, right? Like the ultimate digital employee? But the wild reality is, this isn't some far-off futuristic dream. This is actually happening right now, today, in businesses all around the world.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. Number 1, meet your digital employee. 2, what are AI agents? 3, AI agents versus automation. 4, real-world business agents. 5, the bottom line benefits. And finally, number 6, the future of work.
Section 1. Meet your digital employee.
Think about the absolute biggest pain points in any modern business right now. It's burnout, right? It's trying to keep up with 24/7 customer demands across a bunch of different time zones, and it's just getting completely bogged down in endless, tedious, repetitive tasks. Well, this new digital employee directly solves those problems. It works 24 hours a day, it never takes a break, and it handles those repetitive tasks automatically. This actually frees up your human team to, fully clock out, get some rest, and return completely refreshed.
Section 2. What are AI agents? So, the crucial point is this. An AI agent is a software system that can understand information, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. I want you to really notice those 3 active words there: understand, decide, and act. See, this isn't just a basic program that sits around waiting for you to click a button. It evaluates the information it's given, figures out the best path forward, and then actually executes it to reach a specific goal.
As the source material so brilliantly puts it, think of an AI agent as a digital team member. Personifying the technology this way just makes it so much less intimidating, doesn't it? You basically assign it a goal, give it the resources it needs, and then you trust it to do the work. Honestly, just like you would with a human colleague sitting right at the desk next to you.
Section 3. AI agents versus automation. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the massive leap in capability we're seeing. Basic automation basically follows fixed, rigid rules. It's the classic, if X happens, then do Y. And sure, that's incredibly useful, but it's brittle. If a customer spells a word wrong or the situation changes even slightly, basic automation just breaks. AI agents, on the other hand, analyze situations and respond intelligently. They actually understand context, they don't just blindly follow a strict path, they adapt. They make intelligent decisions with minimal human intervention. And honestly, that context makes absolutely all the difference.
Section 4. Real-world business agents.
Let's take this from the theoretical side over to the practical side and look at 3 concrete ways businesses are actually deploying these agents right now. First up, the customer support agent. Let's kind of trace a typical interaction here. Let's say a customer asks a question on your website at 2 in the morning. The AI agent instantly understands the request, finds the correct answer, and responds. But here's the real genius part in step 3. If the issue is just too complex, or maybe it requires a more sensitive touch, the agent smoothly forwards it over to a human team member. It acts as this absolute perfect first line of defense.
Next up, we have the lead generation agent. A visitor comes in and fills out a contact form. Immediately, the AI steps in. It evaluates and scores the lead's quality based on your specific criteria, sends out a perfectly personalized response, and then routes it appropriately. What this means is that by step 4, your human sales team is only receiving highly qualified opportunities. They aren't stuck wasting hours filtering through spam or completely mismatched inquiries. And check out the marketing content agent. The capabilities here are incredibly diverse. You can task this agent to create social media posts, brainstorm and generate fresh content ideas, write out full email campaigns, and even analyze the performance data afterward to see what actually worked. It's honestly like having a tireless junior marketer in your corner at all times.
And this brings us right to the ultimate payoff for marketing teams. Marketers can focus on high-level strategy instead of repetitive daily tasks. The AI agent isn't replacing the human marketer, it's elevating them. It takes all that busy work right off their plate so they can zero in on high-level creativity and strategic thinking.
Section 5. The bottom line benefits.
Let's move to and see how this builds compounding value. Why are organizations of all sizes rushing to adopt this stuff? Well, when you deploy these agents, you get the ability to work 24/7. You drastically reduce repetitive tasks. Because the AI is instantly analyzing and acting, you massively improve your response times to customers. And all of this naturally increases overall productivity, which ultimately serves to support and, really accelerate your business growth.
If we distill all of those points down into the 3 core business goals pretty much every organization cares about, it comes down to this: save time, reduce costs, and improve the customer experience. AI agents allow you to achieve all 3 of those simultaneously, which historically is a really difficult balance to strike in business. Section 6. The future of work.
The major takeaway here is that AI agents are no longer just a novelty or some fun little experiment. They are absolutely becoming an essential tool for modern businesses to scale faster. The landscape is shifting. Companies that learn how to seamlessly integrate these digital teammates into their workflows are going to operate at a speed and efficiency that traditional businesses just simply won't be able to match.
So I want to leave you with this final thought and question today. Will you learn how to use AI agents today to gain a competitive advantage or be left behind? Understanding this technology right now is the ultimate preparation for the future of work. I really hope this explainer has given you a clear, structured roadmap to start bringing digital employees onto your team.